And this is what your gorgeous mirror is gonna look like. So let me get this set up and show you guys all the amazing features that this has. Okay, you guys, now that I got this set up, this has to be my favorite mirror in my entire home. This thing is so cool because it has a backlit design with this bright LED ring around it. It's really touch friendly. There's gonna be 2 buttons. You're gonna have one button that will control this LED ring on the front and then one that will control it on the back. This middle one is going to be the one that controls it on the front. There are 3 different colors. Your first one, second, and then third. Touch it a 3rd time and it will turn off. Now, if you press the button on the far right,